Yo guys, what's up? Welcome to the channel. This video is all about my first drone flight with the Mavic Mini. Now I've flown a few drones before, but I've never flown the Mavic Mini, and like some of you watching this video, you probably want to know how it is to fly. Now I did a lot of research before I bought the drone. I was a bit skeptical because of the price and the size, and I was a bit worried about the build, and like some of you watching, I was a bit worried about how it could handle itself in the wind as well. So I spent weeks and weeks and weeks researching it. Eventually I bit the bullet, went for it, and I've got to say, in conclusion, I'm not disappointed one little bit. This little thing is quite incredible if you take it up in the right conditions. On first look, once you take it out of the box, it does feel a little bit cheap, especially if you've had one of DJI's other drones like the Mavic Air or the Mavic Pro. 249 grams keeps you under the 250 grams limit, which requires you then to go and get a license and get the drone registered. It's essentially classed as a toy, even though once you play around with it and you see the footage from it, it's far from a toy. Now I'm going to show you my first flight with the Mavic Mini. I took it up in pretty good conditions, gusts of wind topped out at about 11 miles an hour, so I wasn't too worried about losing the drone. So without further ado, let's get right into it.